Hey, what's up, guys? Mike here, another video. Just wanted to check in and update you guys what's going on with me this week. It's Friday, finishing up the week pretty good. Did pretty good this week. Can't complain. Again, check out Instagram. I can't say I did a lot this week, but I did a couple interesting things, interesting posts, I would say. But just wanted to share with you guys a couple of things that I guess frustrated me this week a little bit with warranty companies. It's just sometimes you gotta call things in, be on hold, wait just to get your money, just to get paid. Sometimes it's ridiculous, but you gotta do it, and it's not like it's a constant thing or it happens every single day or every single week. But sometimes I had a customer. I installed a motor. He had another issue with it, completely separate from that, but it was outside of the 30 days, like just outside of the 30 days, and they didn't want to fix it. They offered him a buyout, but they wanted to, I guess, take back the money that but I had to call them, let them know, hey, this is outside of 30 days, so they had to reissue me a check, because that's what it was. They deducted it from a check that was coming to me already, and then I had to call and they had to issue me another check, which I have to wait another like 2 weeks for sometimes. So those are the things that you have to deal with sometimes, and it's not just one in particular, it's all of them that can work out like that sometimes. And just that's why when we see videos and guys say warranty company, they don't pay you what you're really worth. That is the truth. You're always going to end up getting, paid better in direct sales, COD calls, property management that type of stuff. Dealing with warranty companies, they want to pay you a certain rate and want a certain parts markup. They might not want you to mark it up to retail. They only want you to mark it up 10% from what you get it for. So, and if you mark it up too high, they won't approve the job, or they'll resend it, assign it to someone else. Sometimes it all depends on which company you're working with, or they'll send the part themselves if it's too high. So you got to be mindful of those type of things too. But yeah, sometimes you just don't want to deal with them. If I can get the same amount of calls I get daily with just all COD, I would take that any day. And sometimes it's I get a good days with CODs. Sometimes I do a lot of warranty, and I'm not gonna complain when they do come through and the checks come through, and it does. So I can't complain fully. There's just some things that you have to be aware of when you're working for these warranty companies. It's not just an easy flow or easy ride. If you don't catch up on those things, they're not gonna. That's one thing. They'll catch any chargeback or overcharge you due to them. But if they do anything to you, you have to be on that and contact them and make sure they don't give you the runaround. Because at the end of the day, I think about it as like this: they need us, but they'll just pick up anybody sometimes and send anybody to these houses. And sometimes it's not good. You need quality people to go there and do quality work. And that's just the point I'm trying to make. But about to head to this next call. It's a Frigidaire fridge not cooling, so we'll see what it is. They just said the freezer section is not, but I already know how that goes. They started noticing the freezer warming up first, and the fridge section is still keeping cool, or is cooling it somewhat. So we'll see how that goes. I might post it up on my Instagram. It's at Mike Check Appliance. I always urge everybody to follow me on there. Ask all the questions you want on there. I mean, you can ask me questions on here too. I try to respond, but I think Instagram I respond a lot faster. I want to thank all the people who are subscribing, the people who leave comments. I appreciate it. Like I said, I'm just gonna keep on. I don't want to say it's like vlogs. Probably is. I just say what's on my mind pretty much. And you guys keep just giving me views. I appreciate it. Appreciate the love. I'll be back with the next vid. Take care.